Today, we're making Dad's Hawaiian style teriyaki chicken. This is absolutely a family favorite that you must try. Whether you charcoal grill this or use a George Foreman like I will today, this recipe is fantastic, yet surprisingly simple. The key is in the soy sauce. This recipe is a much sweeter and sugary style teriyaki chicken that just caramelizes so well when grilled. So whether you're meal prepping or just looking for a delicious chicken recipe, you'll be satisfied. Best of all, it's my dad's go-to on this Weber grill, so you know it's going to be good. Let's get cooking. In a bowl, add 2.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. Crush 5 garlic cloves. Add 3 slices of ginger. Cut 1 bunch of green onion. Add 2/3 cup of brown sugar. And then the key ingredient, Aloha Brand soy sauce, 2 cups. Mix it all together. And then marinate for at least 6 hours for best results in the refrigerator. On an outdoor grill or George Foreman, add our chicken thighs and cook for 5 minutes on each side. This gives our chicken time to cook and caramelize. It might get a little smoky, but that's okay. Turn it about 45 degrees to get those nice grill marks. Once ready, we can take it off. Rinse and repeat. You can also cook these on a cast iron grill pan, which also works very well. These smell amazing coming off the grill, and if you're using a charcoal grill, that is by far the best option. The caramelization from the brown sugar just melds with the soy sauce, and the green onions gives it an additional flavor. Just look how juicy and delicious that chicken is. Yum. When you make this recipe, you really just can't make 3, you gotta make a whole pack of chicken. We'll chop it up into slices. And boom, we have Dad's Hawaiian style teriyaki chicken. To meal prep, we'll steam up some veggies and rice, making for a perfect lunch or dinner. This is one of those recipes I grew up eating, and it's absolutely carried on in the family. Here's today's ingredients. If you think this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe to see more, and let me know down in the comments what foods you want to see next.